Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Start by noting the known point, like freezing at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit value, then multiply the result by 5/9 to get Celsius. To go the other way, multiply Celsius by 9/5, then add 32 to obtain Fahrenheit accurately and reliably. In this video, I will explain how to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Begin with the Fahrenheit number and subtract 32 immediately to remove the offset. Next, multiply that difference by 5/9 to scale to Celsius properly. Finally, if you need a tidy number, round to 1 decimal place for cooking or whole degrees for quick estimates that are easy to remember. In this video, I will explain how to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. First, multiply the Celsius temperature by 9/5 to adjust the scale. Then, add 32 to that product to restore the Fahrenheit offset and get the correct value. For practical uses like weather and travel, round as needed, and for lab work, keep at least 1 decimal place for accuracy and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.